Hey guys, what's up? This is ADG here. Welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm gonna be talking about the most powerful tool in photography, that is the tone curve. So without further ado, let's roll the intro. So first of all, what is tone curve? So according to Google, the tone curve is simply referred to as curves by most photographers, is a powerful tool that can affect the overall brightness, the contrast of an image. By adjusting the tone curve, you can make your image brighter or darker and affect the contrast levels. So that's it. That's for the video. Tada, bye. I know what you're thinking. Don't hit the dislike button. Wait. So let's make it easy for you so that you can understand and implement these things in your photos. So let's jump into Lightroom first and then discuss. So I have loaded this image. So now let's understand what is tone curve. So see this region, these are the shadows. This area depicts the shadows. Like you increase the shadows, you get this fade kind of an effect, and you decrease the shadows and you get that rich black tone in your pictures. So let's just keep it there. And in this region are the mid-tones, the tones that comes between the highlights and the shadows are the mid-tones. So you can see that if I increase this portion, the main area of the image, that is this lit up kind of an area, the exposure of that part only goes up. So let's bring it back again. Now this area are the highlights. So let's just tweak that and see. You can see this way your highlights are going up, and in this way the highlights come down. So that's pretty much it. Now how to implement this in your photos? So first of all, I will make the points here in this one is already I have made, and in this one. Now I generally prefer a little bit of fade in my images, so I will just bring this one up around like this. Looks good. And if I bring it down, that blacks comes back, and if I pull it up, the blacks becomes white. So what I will do, I will just keep it a little bit, I will add a little bit of contrast in my images, and I will just put it right there. So now it's the mid-tones. I will just bring the mid-tones a little bit up, just a little bit looks good. And this portion, see what happens. So just this looks fine. And now the main highlights, I will just bring down the highlights a little bit. So that's it. You can see the before and after. Wait. So that's the before and the after. You can see the fade in here. There's no fade, and this portion a little bit lit up, and also a little bit of contrast is there in this after one, whereas it's missing here. So one pro tip, the shortcut key for this before and after effect is Y on Lightroom. So this is how the image looks, just a little bit of tweaks individually. Right there looks fine. This one just a little bit, this looks fine. So yeah, in the greens channels, if you pull this curve up, it becomes green, and if you pull this down, it becomes the magenta color, and in the blue region, if you pull this up, it becomes blue. If you pull it down, it becomes yellow. If you want to target a specific portion of the image which you want to highlight, I mean increase the highlights or decrease the shadows, then you can click the icon on the top left corner, and select your target area where you want to raise the highlights or lower down the shadows and build some contrast, and just click it, and there's a point in your curve. So now you can increase the highlights or decrease it to lower down the blacks. So this is the before and this is the after. So I hope you like this quick informative video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post pictures daily there. You can also find some great inspirations from those images also. So do comment down below which topics should I cover next on my videos, and also do support my channel. Goodbye, take care, and see you in my next video.